So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. A lot of you guys were requesting about this quest, that is Salesforce Developer Edition quest, how to fill the swag form and be eligible to first 1000 Still Wizard t-shirts. So first of all, you need to click on this. And if you don't know about this event, you can check out the playlist I've shared. Watch this video completely. Here we have covered module 1 also, and the project is here. So you can complete both these and win exciting the Salesforce swag. So here, once you have clicked on this, now you have to just scroll down and come over here. That is complete the Salesforce Developer Edition quest form. Just click over here. Now this is the form. Once you have completed the module 1 and module 2, let me show you. This is the module 1. Once you have completed this and the project, you'll be able to complete all this. For remaining, let me show you what you have to do. Like for remaining all this, you have to just click on mark as completed if there is no need to complete here. Similarly for this one also. And once you have completed both, just scroll down and complete this form. So here is the form. You have to first of all enter your profile. So how you'll open the profile? You have to just go here, click on this. Make sure you're signed into your Trailhead. Now click on profile. So now basically here we have to enter the user ID, not the complete URL. As you can see here, here is complete URL. You have to copy it from here and just paste over here. So as you can see here, the highlighted portion is possible. So just remove the extra URL and make sure the username is present here like this. As you can see, it's same with the puzzle. And now here you have to share the URL of the LinkedIn and X post. So how I'll make the post? Let me show you. You have to just open this in new tab. I'm just showing a demo. So from here, you have to just upload your own picture like he has uploaded. So I'm using a sample picture from here to show you. So a lot of you guys were worried how you can make the post. First of all, make sure the frame is okay like this. You can do it. You can also resize it if you want. And then you can do one thing, you can directly download it. I just directly post on LinkedIn and X. You will click on this automated deployed post like with the hashtag. As you can see, here is the important thing that you have to mention these two hashtags. So when you click on this, you will be redirected to your LinkedIn or X profile, where if you are signed in, automated post will come. You have to just directly click on post and it will be posted. You have to just attach this image also. So for that, first download it to your local system. Then when you click on this, you have to just upload this image and the post will be automatically made. Means you don't have to write anything, no need to worry about it. After that, you have to copy the post URL. Like how will copy? Just click. Basically, it's very easy. Just click on the post URL and just paste over here like this and then click on submit. Once you have submitted, if you are eligible, you will be able to get the prize, that is this cool t-shirt, and you'll be done with the program. If you face any issue and have query, you can reach out to me. And if you want to complete this, I've shared the playlist in the description. If you want to participate in the Google Cloud Arcade program, you can check the other skill badges and labs. And have a great day. Do like the video and subscribe the channel.